Which three of these are operational benefits of Cisco Business Edition virtualization? Choose 3. Option A. Time savings through easy platform management. Option B. Reduced risk through the Cisco Open Architectural approach. Option C. Multiple management platform support. Option D. Reduced costs through integrated management and scalable platform. Option E. Reduced costs through support for traditional TDM-based voice systems. Option F. Reduced risk through each application running on a separate physical server. The correct answer is option A, B, D. In which two ways does Cisco Business Edition deployment mitigate and reduce the business risk? Choose 2. Option A. The end-to-end Cisco collaboration solution eliminates the risk of other vendor applications and devices not being supported. Option B. Cisco Jabber uses a consistent user interface on all devices. Changing devices does not impact user acceptance. Option C. Cisco Collaboration Architecture supports all major operating systems and devices, minimizing the risk of a device not being supported. Option D. Cisco proprietary communications protocols mitigate the risk of interoperability with other vendor collaboration devices. The correct answer is option B, C. Which two statements are true when comparing Cisco and Microsoft Unified Communications solutions? Choose 2. Option A. Microsoft Link is free. Licenses are included in other Microsoft bundles, so no incremental costs are required to deploy the full collaboration solution. Option B. Only Cisco can offer an entirely end-to-end collaboration solution. Option C. Both Cisco and Microsoft provide award-winning, 24-hour, around-the-globe technical support for a complete set of collaboration solutions. Option D. Cisco Jabber ensures the same user experience on any device and any operating system. The correct answer is option B, D. Which endpoints and clients are supported on applications that are included under the Cisco Business Edition umbrella? Option A. All Cisco voice and video endpoints except Cisco Telepresence Room systems. Option B. All Cisco voice and video endpoints except Cisco Telepresence X Series and Cisco Telepresence X Series and Cisco Telepresence Room systems. Option C. All Cisco voice and video endpoints except 802.11 Wi-Fi endpoints. Option D. All Cisco voice and video endpoints. The correct answer is option C,